Hi, this is John Carlos.
And I'm Tracy.
And we're here with a look at the Spring 2018 Pusheen box. It's Spring 2018. Yeah.
Yes.
This box is not matted like the other one.
No.
It's shiny.
It's shiny.
And it's got a little balloon.
Yep.
And a little balloon string goes around the front. Yeah.
That's the back.
Well, it's the bottom, but it goes around the front and stuff.
Yes.
So yeah, I don't know if, maybe I'm dumb, but I don't know if this is like the anniversary box or something. Like it's like a
I don't know.
This is second birthday or just balloons or like a fun springtime balloon theme. I don't know.
Sure.
But I'll hold this and you can do the unboxing.
Yep.
I'll be your human table.
Bye.
And no more me. Hello again.
Okay. Don't want to look at that because
No
spoilers.
spoilers.
Oh, so this is. We'll start here. Oh, hi.
Hello.
What is that? Oh.
Oh.
Photo clips.
Like you hang them on a string.
Yeah. Like.
And you clip all the.
It's. Oh, that's terrible.
Well, here if you hold it for a second, and then it adjusts like that.
There we go. So it's a string with little clips, and you put your photos on the clips.
Yeah.
And then that's what they look like, and they're all gold.
I'll take.
Interesting.
I can put things.
So can I.
Or over there.
No way!
Yes way! What?
Tape dispenser.
Oh, that's cool.
That's fun. I like office supplies for no reason.
I could tell.
That's exciting. I like that. What is this?
I do not know.
Oh no! Travel throw blanket.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
Because
it's freezing in the
homegirl likes blankets.
I'm always cold.
She's always cold. She likes blankets.
So it doesn't even matter that this is the springtime with winter stuff.
You're cold year round.
That's true.
Yeah. And you don't have a Pusheen blanket, so that's perfect.
I don't have a Pusheen blanket. Get out of here.
Okay.
No, not you. What is this? I don't know what this is made out of. Oh, it's metal.
Metal!
It's a little metal, like, bottle. Whee!
I like it.
Yeah. It's cute. It looks like that. It's all metal. Good stuff.
Yeah. There's good stuff in here. You guys haven't seen it yet.
That's fun. Slippers. Cute. Wee.
We indeed.
They're kind of cheap, but I don't care.
Yeah.
Wee, they're cute. That's fun. I got all sentimental about them for a second. I'll save that for last. No way!
Mousepad?
Yeah! Mousepad! I like stuff I will actually use.
Yeah. And not just some random junk that gets regifted for white elephant stuff.
Yes. That's good. Because office supplies.
Office-y stuff, yeah.
And then...
There's a lot in this box.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
There is. Oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Wow, it just keeps going. Okay. Hence why the box was bigger than your average one. So there's a pencil pouch. More office supplies. I'm sensing a theme.
Mm-hmm.
It's like work from home theme.
Yeah.
Here's your blanket and your slippers, but also here's your office.
It's springtime. Here's some balloons to celebrate. Working from home.
Yep.
Speaking of home office stuff.
Yeah. A letter set. So stationary.
Yeah, I like these little stickers because, like, if you mail out or if you get something like a birthday card or something, you put that on there, and that's just extra Pusheen nerdiness.
They're kind of, sort of. Well, whatever. Cut.
There you go. There's some stickers.
Yay. Why are you better at this than me?
Mm.
Anyway. There's a little pin.
Ooh.
With a star with Pusheen being carried away with balloons. That is cute.
I think this was attached to the slippers.
Oh. There's a tag.
There's a tag!
And then...
Lastly...
the vinyl figure. Wee. She's holding balloons.
That's cute.
It is cute.
Pusheen's always cute.
Pusheen is always cute. I might keep this one though. I actually really like it. Although I've kept all of them.
You've kept all of them.
I have intentions of not
But you have emotional investment with the bat and the mermaid one
Yes.
versus
some of the others.
Yeah.
But I like this one because I like balloons and Pusheen.
And
So-
we'll review this on my channel separately
Separate.
if you want to know anything about this vinyl figure.
Or see it out of the box.
Yeah. So come back for that.
Yeah. Right now.
And if you're still sticking around and didn't immediately leave, do you like this box? Are you satisfied with it?
Yes.
Yeah, there was a lot. Like, it kept going. And that's a good thing for a box.
It is.
Yeah. The slippers are
10th
good.
box. So celebrating the 10th box. It all
Okay.
makes sense now. This says 10th box bonus item. And that was the pin.
Cool.
Yeah. So celebration of the 10th box Pusheen.
Nice.
Yeah.
I thought it was a worthy box full of good things.
Me too.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Yeah.
And you can follow us on Instagram and stuff. Here are the links.